United Nations General Assembly has its new president being elected. And in today's video, we are going to see all the details or all the information that you need to know regarding this recent development. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meenakshi and I make videos relating to different topics of law as well as legal development. Maldives Foreign Minister Abdulla Shahid has recently been elected as the President of United Nations General Assembly. I have already made 3 separate videos on the history of United Nations, its different organs as well as General Assembly. So you can consider checking them out from the links given in description box below to get a clear idea regarding the composition of United Nations as well as all the details regarding General Assembly. United Nations is an international organization which is founded in the year 1945. At present, it is having 193 countries and all these countries are also a member of the United Nations General Assembly. In terms of election of the President of General Assembly, all these different countries give their vote by way of secret ballot. Now, what is secret ballot? It basically is a way whereby you can give your vote without other people knowing. There will be like box kind of a thing and you need to write the name of person whom you support or the name of country for that matter, and you can give your vote, like you can insert it inside the box, and after that votes will be revealed and whoever is winning, that person will be elected. If you watch all these reality shows like Split Villa, you would see there also they use that kind of a voting process where all the participants would come forward, they would just write name of the person whom they want to select as a king or queen for that matter, and then they would insert that inside the box that is there. And after that votes will be revealed. Whoever is getting more votes, that person will be elected. Well, you can take that just as an example of how voting process is done in a secret ballot. So that's the process which is being followed in case of election of President of General Assembly as well. The term of office for President of United Nations General Assembly is 1 year. That means every year there will be election of United Nations General Assembly President. And in the election process, all the members of General Assembly, that is all these 193 countries would take part. They will give their vote. Whoever is getting majority vote, that person or that country will have their president. In this present case, Abdulla Shahid owned 3/4 majority against contender Afghanistan's Foreign Minister Zalmay Rasool. So on 7th of June 2021, Abdulla Shahid was elected as the 76th President of United Nations General Assembly. Out of total of 193 countries, 2 countries did not take part in the voting process, and 143 countries voted in favor of Maldives. 48 countries voted against it and 2 countries did not take part in the voting process. So out of 193 total countries, 148 countries voted in favor of the present President of United Nations General Assembly. In fact, India has also been supporting Maldives since the time they declared that they would be contesting for this election. So India also voted in favor of them. The 5 primary areas where this present president is going to focus are COVID response, vaccine equality, environment, human rights and gender equality. So these are the 5 areas where he will be primarily focusing. So that's all for this recent legal development. To know more regarding the member countries of United Nations General Assembly, you can consider checking the other videos out. Bye-bye.